Prompts are an essential part of ChatGPT's conversational ability. There are various types of prompts that ChatGPT uses to understand and respond to user input, and it's crucial to understand how they work. Some prompts are designed to ask questions, while others are meant to provide context or suggest a particular topic. Understanding these prompts is important because they serve as the foundation for how ChatGPT interprets and generates responses to user queries. In other words, the better you understand prompts, the better you can communicate with ChatGPT. So why should you understand the different types of prompts? First, to improve accuracy. By understanding the different types of prompts used in ChatGPT, users can provide more accurate prompts that allow ChatGPT to generate better responses. This can lead to a more efficient and effective conversation between the user and the AI model. Secondly, for enhanced conversational flow. Understanding prompts can help users to guide the conversation in a more natural and fluid manner. By using prompts that match the conversational context, users can maintain the conversational flow and avoid misunderstandings. Next, to allow for increased customization. By using different types of prompts, users can customize their interactions with ChatGPT according to their preferences. This can lead to a more personalized experience that meets the user's specific needs. Lastly, for improved learning. Understanding the various prompts used in ChatGPT can also help users to learn more about natural language processing and how AI language models work. This can lead to a better understanding of how to interact with ChatGPT and similar systems in the future. By using the appropriate type of prompt, users can interact with ChatGPT in a more natural and effective way, leading to better communication and improved outcomes. As a language model, ChatGPT can be trained on different types of input-based prompts to generate responses. Here are some examples of the different types of input-based prompts. Text prompts are the most common type used with ChatGPT. Here, the model is given a piece of text as input and generates a response based on that input. For example, a text prompt could be a question like "What is the meaning of life?" or a statement like "I am feeling sad today." Image prompts involve providing an image as input to the model. The model then generates a response based on the image. For example, an image prompt could be a picture of a beach, and the model could generate a response like "I wish I could be on that beach right now." We can also use video prompts, where a video is provided as input to the model. The model then generates a response based on the video. For example, a video prompt could be a clip of a funny cat, and the model could generate a response like "That cat is hilarious." Finally, there are music prompts, where a piece of music is used as input and the model then generates a response based on the music. For example, a music prompt could be a classical piece, and the model could generate a response like "This music is so soothing." To generate responses, the input prompt needs to be properly formatted and passed to the model. The output generated by the model can then be presented to the user in a variety of ways, such as text or speech. Overall, using a variety of input-based prompts can help improve the diversity and quality of responses generated by ChatGPT. Function-based prompts are prompts that are designed to elicit a specific type of response from ChatGPT. Here we'll look at some examples of different types of function-based prompts. Question prompts. These prompts ask a specific question that the model is expected to answer. For example, a question prompt could be "What is the capital of France?" The model would then generate a response such as "The capital of France is Paris." Task-based prompts. These prompts require the model to perform a specific task, such as summarizing a text or translating a sentence. For example, a task-based prompt could be "Please summarize the main points of this article." The model would then generate a response that summarizes the article. Free-form prompts. These prompts allow the user to provide any input they wish, and the model generates a response based on that input. For example, a free-form prompt could be "Tell me something interesting." The model would then generate a response based on its training data and the context of the prompt. Scenario prompts. These prompts provide a specific scenario or situation for the model to respond to. For example, a scenario prompt could be "You're lost in the woods, what do you do?" The model would then generate a response based on the given scenario. Dialogue prompts. These prompts involve simulating a conversation or dialogue between the user and the model. For example, a dialogue prompt could be "Ask me anything." The model would then generate a response and continue the conversation based on the user's responses. Overall, using a variety of function-based prompts can help train ChatGPT to generate responses that are tailored to specific tasks or scenarios. Next, we have structured prompts. These are prompts that provide a specific structure or format for the input and output. Some examples of different types of structured prompts are open-ended, fill-in-the-blank, and multiple choice. Open-ended prompts provide a topic or theme for the user to explore in an open-ended way. For example, an open-ended prompt could be "Write a story about a magical creature." The user would then provide their own input and the model would generate a response based on the input. Fill-in-the-blank prompts provide a sentence or paragraph with one or more missing words or phrases for the user to fill in. For example, a fill-in-the-blank prompt could be "The cat jumped over the," followed by a blank space. The user would then provide the missing word or phrase, and the model would generate a response based on the completed sentence. Finally, multiple-choice prompts provide a question or statement with multiple possible responses for the user to choose from. For example, a multiple-choice prompt could be, "Which of these animals is a mammal?" A. Bird. B. Fish. C. Dog. D. Insect. The user would then choose the correct response, and the model would generate a response based on the user's choice. Overall, using a variety of structured prompts can help train ChatGPT to generate responses that are tailored to specific formats and types of input. There are some best practices to follow for choosing the right type of prompt. First, understand the audience. The type of prompt you choose should be tailored to the audience you are interacting with. For example, closed prompts might be better for people who are less familiar with the topic, while open-ended prompts might be better for experts. Determine the purpose of the prompt. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with the prompt? Is it to provide information, generate ideas, or engage in conversation? The purpose of the prompt will influence the type of prompt that is most appropriate. Consider the desired level of creativity or accuracy. If you want ChatGPT to provide more creative responses, then open-ended prompts might be the best choice. On the other hand, if you need ChatGPT to provide more accurate information, then closed prompts might be more appropriate. Next, understand the context. The context of the conversation or situation can impact the type of prompt that is most effective. For example, contextual prompts might be necessary if the conversation involves multiple topics or is ongoing. Finally, test and iterate. It is important to test different types of prompts and evaluate their effectiveness. This can help you refine your approach and choose the best type of prompt for a specific situation. Choosing the right type of prompt is critical for achieving the desired outcome when working with ChatGPT. By understanding the audience, purpose, desired level of creativity or accuracy, context, and testing different types of prompts, you can select the most appropriate prompt and improve the overall quality of the conversation.